You are about to be shit on by corporations.
Oh my god, Becky, a corporation just crapped on you.
They're about to take a big old dump all over you, your loved ones, and the environment. The TPP, or the Trans-Pacific Partnership, is a top-secret trade deal and guaranteed shit show. If you thought NAFTA was a piece of shit, TPP is a mountain of turd. This nightmare trade deal gives a buttload of power to corporations, flushing everything you care about down the drain. Under TPP, corporations will be as powerful as nations, with the ability to sue countries if they pass laws that reduce expected future profits, like laws we have to protect the environment or create decent working conditions. Corporations can challenge these protections to make craploads of money. It's a shit storm. What's even worse is that all of these discussions are happening in private, and corporate lobbyists are pushing Congress to fast-track this trade deal without ever even showing it to the public. So tell your representative, don't let corporations shit on me. Don't fast-track the TPP.